वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today's program is going to be presented by Sadhna Lakshmi Venkatesh. But before I introduce her, I take immense pleasure in first thanking Dr. Gautam Kartik sir for graciously giving us permission to choreograph on some of his beautiful compositions today. Dr. Gautam Kartik needs no introduction. He is one of the most renowned Gautam artists and is a torchbearer of the legacy of his gurus, Shri T.H. Vikku Vinayakaram and Shri T.H. Subhash Chandra. He has extensively performed with the Indian film industry and collaborated with many international artists. He is a prolific composer of Tilana, Kritis and fusion pieces, and we are extremely proud to have the opportunity to perform some of them live today. A little about the artist of today evening. Sadhna is a higher secondary school graduate from GEMS Aaron Indian School, Dubai, with an extraordinary talent and has brought many awards and laurels to her home country, India and United Arab Emirates. She is a celebrated child artist and has won the Indian National Award for Best Child Artist for her first film, Tangamingal, from President of India, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee. She has played the lead role as a spastic child in her second film, Peranbu, with megastar Mammootty. She has won many international awards for the same. She now steps into the next phase of her life as a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. She has been learning Bharatanatyam from age 4 from her mother and teacher, Mrs. Lakshmi Venkatesh. Her engagement performance in 2017 was well reviewed by press and renowned artists. As a part of Sri Padam Academy of Dance, Sadhna has performed in many sabhas and various dance dramas. She is a blooming artist and determined to contribute to the world of dance. She begins today's recital with Mallari. Mallari is a type of worship wherein the deity is made to sit on a palanquin and is taken around the temple premise. It is always associated with the Nadaswaram. This is composed and sung by Dr. Gautam Kartik sir. The sounds from Lord Shiva's anklets give rise to the jatis, Taddit-tonnam, and further sounds emanating from the mridangam produced Dheem-Dheem-Thumnam forms the basis of the Mallari. Here, Dr. Gautam Kartik sir has used lyrics to describe the Thillai Natarajar as Anbe Shivame, and later, instead of the Sollukattu, he has used various instruments to beautifully weave the swaras of the raga and patterns. Mallari in Gambhira Nate, Talam Khanda Triputa Talam. recital Mam Pahi. The Ambal Rajarajeshwari is described as Swarakshari, and to establish this, the composer, Dr. Ghadam Karthik sir, has coined the Aksharam, or the meaning words of the composition, with the help of the Swaras, therefore establishing a beautiful dimension of Carnatic music known as Swaraksharam as follows. Sa. Samagana Priya Sangeeta Rupini. Ri. Rishabharuda Shivakameshwari. Gha. Garbha Bhanjani Gana Vilasini. Ma. Maya Dita Swarupini. Pa. Pamara Jana Paripalini. Dha. Dhanava Bhanjani Daitya Vinasini. Ni. Nigama Gama Nitya Nandini. Thus describing the Devi with the swaras of the ragam Shanmugapriya. Mam Pahi, written and composed by Dr. Ghadam Karthik, sung by Sri Kunnakudi Bala Murli Krishna, music orchestration by Sri Palakkad Sriram, ragam Shanmugapriya, talam Mishra Chapu.
Swabhupini Maya रूप सुंदरधनि पंचाशक्तिपीठरूपिणी चतुर्वेद संग्रह पालिनी गयी महात्रिपुर सुंदरी वैताद्वैत चित्विलासिनी एकाकिनी श्री भुवनेश्वरी षण्मुख प्रियसरसिजलोचनि मापाहि श्रीरजेश्वरी गदाधारिणी सदा मापाहि श्रीरजेश्वरी गदाधारिणी सदा मापाहि.
Tillana is the climax of a performance that brings joy and is compared to the lighting of camphor in the sanctum of the goddess after experiencing her holy presence. Likewise, the next composition, Tillana, composed and written by Dr. Gautam Karthik in Gauri Manohari Ragam, is so apt and appropriate. This raga is a peaceful and divine ragam that brings joy and is ideal for prayer. I think that is the reason why this piece was composed in this ragam. Set in Mishra Chapu, the harmonious flow of swaras of the ragam in the composition along with the western fusion of instruments makes it brilliant. Sung by Shreyas Narayanan, Ragam Gauri Manohari.
कामेश्वरी कमला मनोधरी कांची कामेश्वरी கடை கண் வைத்தெம்மை காத்தருள்வா சங்கரி கமல மனோகரி காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி கடைக்கணை தன்மை காத்தருள்வாய் சங்கரி கௌரி மனோகரி கௌரி மனோகரி கருணாதயகரி கௌரி மனோகரி கருணாதயகரி சந்திரகலாதரி சரணம் சர்வேஸ்வரி கமலமனோகரி காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி கடைக்கணை தன்மை காத்தருள்வாய் சங்கரி கௌரி மனோகரி கருணாதயகரி சந்திரகலாதரி சரணம் சர்வேஸ்வரி
மங்களம் ஜெய மங்களம் மங்களம் ஜெய மங்களம் மங்களம் ஜெய மங்களம் மாணி பொன்னால் செய்த மாணிக்க வீணையை பாணியில் கொண்டிட்ட பரபிரம்மஸ்வரூபிக்கு தேடித் தோழும் அடியார் காணும்படிக்கு காட்சி ராணித்துவமோடு கந்தராஜ ராஜேஸ்வரிக்கு மங்களம் ஜெய மங்களம் 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 ஜெய மங்களம் ஜெய மங்களம்
One minute. Our last place is going to thank. One second. Over. Hit up.
எல்லாருக்கும் நமஸ்காரம். First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for introducing me to Bharatanatyam, because ever since I've started dancing, I think I've found a new identity in myself. I've just fell in love with the art form. So first and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for giving me so much in my life and for blessing me so much. Second, I would like to thank my guru and my mother, Srimati Lakshmi Venkatesh, for instilling this art in me right from the day I was born and for making me the person that I am today. Thirdly, I would like to thank my family, my friends who've always given me so much of support, and the reason why this whole program happened, Music of Madras. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I would like to thank Dr. Gautam Karthik sir. Uncle, thank you so much. இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப 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 ஒரு பெரிய ஹாப்பினஸ். உங்களோட பாட்டுக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடச்சிது ஆடுறதுக்கு. I can't ask for more. Thank you so much. And for all the viewers who are watching today's live, I would like to thank each and every one of you for taking time of your day and watching my performance today. Thank you so much. Thank you.